If the President of India wants to resign, he has to address the letter of resignation to the Vice President, who acts as the channel of communication between the President and the Council Ministers. The channel is Prime Minister. The option is correct. Which one of the following is the specific feature of the single member constituency system? It secures a stable majority in the legislature. The option is correct. The number of subjects incorporated in Union list is the number 97. A option is correct. How many items are there in Union list? There are 97 items. The option is correct. What is the maximum gap permissible between two sessions of parliament? The maximum gap is 6 months. Who has got the power to create All India Service? The power to create All India Service, the parliament get this power. The option is correct. In the provincial parliament of India, how many members were there? There were 296 members. A option is correct. Who admits a new state to Union of India? It is admitted by Parliament. The most important feature of cabinet system of government is collective responsibility. The option is correct. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. C option is correct. If the Union Parliament is to assume legislative power over and subject included in the state list, the resolution to the effect has to be passed by which of the following? It has to be passed by Rajya Sabha. C option is correct. In India, how many times has the President declared financial emergency? Financial emergency has been declared never. B option is correct. The legislature gains a priority over the executive in a parliamentary government. If the President wants to resign from his office, he may do so by writing to the Vice President. B option is correct. The name of the upper house of the Indian Parliament is Rajya Sabha. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? First speaker of Lok Sabha was G.V. Malvankar. In the case of deadlock between the two houses, Parliament, the joint sitting is presided over by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who administers oath of office to the President? It administered by Chief Justice of India. The first President of independent India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. If the President wants to resign, he shall address his letter of resignation to Vice President of India. Impeachment proceedings against the President for violation of the Constitution can be initiated in either House of Parliament. Who was first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? First Speaker of Lok Sabha was Ganesh Vasudev Malvankar. How many members are there in Public Accounts Committee? There are 22 members. Who is the only second Vice President of India to get a second consecutive terms after S. Radhakrishnan? He was M.H. Ansari. C option is correct. Who has the right to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not? The right to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not, the power has Speaker of Lok Sabha. The term of office of the Vice President of India is 5 years. The term of member of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. The Prime Minister of India is appointed by President. Who among the following was the first Minister of Finance in independent India? It was R.K. Shanmugham Chetty. A option is correct. Which of the following statements about a money bill is not correct? The statement that is not correct: a money bill can be tabled in either House of Parliament. This is not correct. A option is correct. Next question: who among the following was the first politician to become a Chief Minister of a state and Prime Minister of India? The person was Mr. Charan Singh. Who among the following gave the slogan Garibi Hatao and led Congress to win the general elections of 1971? It was done by Indira Gandhi. The option is correct. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution includes the procedure of impeachment of the President? The article is Article 61. In the Union Government, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible for the Lok Sabha. After question hour, a motion moved by a member of Parliament to draw the attention of executive for discussing a definite matter of public importance is a adjournment motion. C option is correct. The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of the Parliament is appointed by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. From the following, who was first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? C was Meera Kumar. The residuary powers of legislation under Indian Constitution rests with Parliament. Appointments for all India services are made by President. B option is correct. The Speaker of Lok Sabha addresses his letter of resignation to the Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, in whose consultation does the President convene and prorogue all sessions of Parliament with the consultation of the Prime Minister. Which one of the following committees is described as the twin sister of the Estimates Committee? The committee is Public Accounts Committee. The member of the Rajya Sabha are elected by elected members of Legislative Assembly, who appoints and dismisses the gazetted official of the Union Government. It is appointed and dismissed by the President of India. In a parliamentary form of government, the executive is responsible to the legislature. The option is correct. Which of the following statements is correct about the President of India? The statement is that addresses first session of Parliament after each general election. A option is correct. The President can dismiss a member of the Council of Ministers on the recommendation of the Prime Minister. Which parliamentary committee in India is normally chaired by a prominent member of the opposition? The committee is Public Accounts Committee. In which way the President can assign any of the functions of Union Government in the state government? The way is in consultation with the government of the state. If the name of a tribe has to be excluded from the list of scheduled tribe, who has the power for such exclusion? The Parliament has this power. B option is correct. When the offices of the President and Vice President fall vacant is simultaneously, who acts as President? It acts by the Chief Justice of India. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha can be removed from his office by a resolution passed by the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the direct control of Speaker of Lok Sabha, who decides disputes regarding disqualification of members of Parliament. It is decided by the President in consultation with the Election Commission. What is the minimum age of membership to Rajya Sabha? The minimum age is 30 years. The option is correct. What is the total strength of Rajya Sabha? Total strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. A option is correct. The largest committee of Parliament of India is Estimates Committee. B option is correct. The President can advance money to meet unforeseen expenses from the contingency fund. The option is correct. A unitary form of government is that in which all the powers are concentrated in the hands of central government, who has the power to prorogue the Lok Sabha. The power to prorogue Lok Sabha has by the President. A motion moved by the member of Parliament when he feels a minister has committed a breach of privilege of the House by withholding facts of a case is called privilege motion. The President of India is the head of state. President of India can be removed from his office by Parliament. Who presides over the sitting of the House of People? It presides by the Speaker. The Legislative Council in a state in India may be created or abolished by the Parliament after the State Legislative Assembly passes a resolution to that effect. C option is correct. An ordinary bill passed by the State Assembly can be delayed by the Legislative Council for a maximum period of 4 months. D option is correct. Which admits the following state has a Legislative Council? The state is Bihar. Who is the Chief Advisor to the Governor? Chief Advisor to the Governor is the Chief Minister. Money bill can be introduced in the State Legislative Assembly with the prior permission of the Governor of the state. There is no provision in the Constitution for the impeachment of the Governor. Who was the first woman Governor of a state in free India from out of the following? The person was Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. The state in India are demanding greater autonomy from the centre in the field of legislative, administrative and financial. The option is correct. The Council of Ministers in a state is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly. What is the duration of membership of the State Legislative Council? The duration is 6 years. The Governor of a state has no power to adjourn the Assembly. The members of the Legislative Assembly are directly elected by the people. Money bills originate in the State Legislative Assembly on the recommendation of the Governor. The Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor. The upper house of the state legislature in India is called Legislative Council.